Ronaldo, your Ferrari looks a bit rough. It's seen some action, but it's still strong. Sure. Easy now, guide it steady. Got it, almost there. Watch the front bumper. Easy now, keep it straight. Got it, aligning. Good. All right, lower it slowly. Watch the front panel. Copy that, it's coming down steady. Good, just guide it onto the floor. This bolt is seized. Carefully now.
At least there is a house ahead. Let me go there and see if I can find something. It is so dark in the jungle, I can't see anything. Let me go forward and see if I can find something.
Oh wow, whose car is this? It looks like Ronaldo's. It even has the CR7 logo.
I will have to take this to a professional garage to fix it.
Come quickly, there's a car here that needs to be taken to the garage.
Okay, I'm coming now. Wait there. This is the car. It needs to go to my garage. Okay, I will take it. Careful, slowly, don't damage it any further. Now I'm breaking down all this thick grease and washing years of buildup away. Now the final rinse reveals the true shine underneath all that dirt. Look at that, the water just rolls right off the surface now. Now I'm loosening the hood bolts so we can access the engine. Now I'm lifting the hood while keeping the CR7 logo in clear view as we expose the engine. Now I'm removing the front bumper so we can access all the damaged parts underneath. Now I'm taking off the side skirts to fully expose the lower body frame. Now I'm removing the rear diffuser to reach the underbody and exhaust area. Now I'm carefully detaching the doors so nothing gets damaged during the teardown. Now I'm placing all the panels neatly so we can rebuild everything perfectly later. Now I'm separating the upper shell from the chassis to rebuild everything properly. Here's the rust damage on the frame. This needs serious cleaning and repair. I'm labeling every bolt carefully so nothing gets mixed up during reassembly. Everything is stripped down now. The rebuild can finally begin. Now the workspace is clean and organized. We're ready to start rebuilding. Now I'm lifting the V12 engine out so we can rebuild it piece by piece. Now the old oil is draining out slowly. This engine needs a full deep clean. The engine is fully dismantled now. Every part will be cleaned and rebuilt like new. I'm pulling out each piston carefully. These will be cleaned and polished before reassembly. Now I'm brushing away all the carbon buildup. This engine is finally breathing again. Now the ultrasonic cleaner is removing every hidden trace of dirt. These parts will look brand new. I'm replacing all the bearings now. This engine will run smooth like new again. Now I'm polishing every valve. Smooth surfaces mean better engine performance. Now I'm rebuilding the timing system. Perfect alignment is the heart of a smooth engine. Every bolt is torqued perfectly. This engine is locked in strong and ready to run. Now I'm opening the gearbox. Let's see what damage time has done inside. Now I'm cleaning every gear. All that old oil and dirt has to go. A brand new clutch goes in. Now all that power will transfer smoothly. Now the differential is fully serviced. Smooth power delivery from the engine to the wheels. Now the engine is fully resealed. No leaks, just pure performance. Fresh gaskets are going in now. This rebuild is sealed perfectly from the inside out. Now the engine looks brand new, clean, powerful, and ready to run. The gearbox is sealed tight. Smooth shifts are coming next. The full powertrain is ready, built strong, clean, and perfectly balanced. Now the powertrain is mounted securely, perfectly balanced, and ready to go back into the car. Now the car is lifted high, perfect position to install the powertrain safely. I'm scraping all the rust underneath. This chassis has to be perfectly clean and strong again. Now I'm grinding away every bit of rust, bringing the metal back to life. The frame is smooth again. Strong, clean, and ready for protection. Now I'm sealing the frame with anti-rust coating. This metal is protected for years. New bushings are in. The suspension will feel tight and smooth again. These new shocks will make the ride smooth and strong again. The control arms are tightened. The suspension is locked in perfectly. New brake rotors are mounted. Strong stopping power is back. The calipers are bolted tight. The brakes are ready for serious performance. Now I'm bleeding the brakes, every bubble out for perfect pressure. I'm cleaning the fuel tank. Fresh fuel needs a perfectly clean system. New fuel lines are in, clean flow all the way to the engine. Now I'm polishing the exhaust, bringing back that factory shine. Look at this undercarriage. It's shining like new again. I'm cutting out all the rust. Only strong metal stays. Fresh metal is welded in. The frame is strong again. Let the weld cool. Strong metal needs time to settle. Now I'm spreading body filler, making the surface perfectly smooth again. Silky sanding strokes, shaping the body back to perfection. Perfect panel gaps. Now everything lines up like factory new. The whole body is stripped to bare metal. Perfect foundation for new paint. Primer is going on, the perfect base for flawless paint. Letting the primer dry evenly under heat lamps. Perfect surface coming up. Wet sanding the primer, making it perfectly smooth for paint. Now the surface is perfect, ready for paint. Everything's prepped, now it's time for paint. Watch the metallic green come alive. This is the transformation. Even spray passes, perfect coverage every time. Building the depth, this green is coming alive. Sealing it all with clear coat, pure mirror shine. Letting the paint cure under heat, locking in the shine. Wet sanding the gloss, turning it into pure mirror perfection. Machine polishing complete, now it's pure mirror finish. Applying ceramic coating, locking in extreme gloss and protection. Old seats out, time to rebuild the interior from scratch. Old carpet out, now we expose everything underneath. Brushing off the rust, bringing the floor back to life. Sound insulation layered, this cabin will be silent and solid. New luxury carpet installed, the cabin feels brand new. Roof liner installed, the interior is coming together perfectly. New dashboard fitted, the cockpit is completely reborn. Screens locked in, the cockpit is coming alive. Steering wheel mounted, the car is ready to be driven again. Rebuilding the seat foam, comfort starts from the inside. Look at that stitching, pure craftsmanship and luxury. The interior is glowing fresh, luxury reborn from the ground up. Easy now, keep it aligned. Good, guide the hoses in, settle it down. Cooling hoses connected, keeping the engine running perfectly. Wiring clipped neatly, everything clean, safe, and professional. Lowering the body shell, the car becomes whole again. Doors aligned perfectly, factory precision restored. Front bumper installed, the Supercar face is complete. Rear diffuser mounted, performance meets perfection. Lug nuts torqued, locked in for the road. Engine bay polished, cleaner than factory new. Final wipe, pure mirror perfection. Glass clean, crystal clear, flawless visibility. Tires dressed in gloss, ready for the road in style. Chrome polished, every accent gleams like new. CR7 logo applied, signature style complete. Lamborghini CR7, shining brand new under golden light, flawless supercar reborn. The Lamborghini CR7, fully restored, shining in every angle, flawless from every side. Step inside, the Lamborghini CR7 interior fully restored, luxury reborn. Lamborghini CR7, reborn in perfection, displayed like a masterpiece.